Hi guys and dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can tell the title of this video, I am doing my 1940s, 1950s inspired poodle hair updo that you guys have absolutely been loving when I posted pictures on Instagram and had a photo shoot with this hairstyle. I've actually done it on my friend Vicky. You guys, if you do follow me on Instagram, which please do, my links will be in the description, you guys would have saw the picture I've done on her a while back and you guys absolutely loved it and wanted me to do a tutorial on it. Well, today's the day. I ramble a lot in this tutorial, so I do apologise. I get very nervous in tutorials, that's why I don't do them that often. But I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I'm just going to quickly show you what you're going to need for this tutorial. So the first thing you are actually going to want to do for this look is pin curl your hair with pin curl clips. I don't show you how to pin curl your hair in this tutorial, but you can do that. Pre-set your hair before you watch this and wait for it to cool down and then come back and watch the video because I'm going to show you what to do after you pin curled your hair. You are going to need a comb like this as well, just so it smooths out the edges on here and just so you can tease a little bit as well. These combs are great, absolutely love it. Then you are going to be wanting some pomade or any kind of accessory like that. You're going to be wanting Suavecito, you're going to be wanting any kind of pomade. The one I use in this video is by House of Druid and it's their classic pomade. I absolutely love House of Druid. Their stuff is great. I hope that I'm pronouncing their product properly. It's House of Drewvid. But I don't know if it's pronounced Druid or not. But that's what it looks like. I've used a lot of their products, absolutely love them. But as I said, any pomade that's a firm or a strong hold pomade will do for this tutorial. And then with that, I sprayed on my hair a setting spray, which is great for obviously setting your hair, and it's like a hairspray. It's great to mix in with my parade hair. Like these two go so well together. So I've got House of Druid and I've got parade hair, both amazing. So they're what you're going to need. And you're also going to need bobby pins to pin in your hair as well. You're going to need them obviously to do the curls in your hair, as you guys can see there, and just to hold it in place. Make sure you get ones that actually match your hair colour. I've got kind of blonde ones, but I do want to get platinum blonde ones, but mine are quite blonde and yellow. But any bobby pins will do. So without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. So you want to just start taking your pin curl clips out. Wait till your hair is fully cool before you do this. Otherwise your hair will not have set properly and you want your hair to be in full curls. You can see here I've took some of the clips out and it is fully curly. So I'm just going to get to doing this and I'll be right back with you. So now that you have taken all your pin curl clips out, this is kind of what you want your hair to look like. Very crazy, ringlet-y. Shake your head and all the ringlets are there. So what you want to do now, because it's a half poodle, you kind of want to gather the front section and kind of build a poodle here, and then I'll show you what we're going to do with the back in a bit. So what you want to do, if I'm looking over here, there's a mirror over here. Right, it's just literally sweep up this section of your hair, and I have a comb as well to help me, so just want to sweep it up, and then you want to take some bobby pins and pin. I can open my pack, I should have opened it. Yeah, so you want to take some bobby pins and just literally pin them in place, because what you're going to do with the curls after, you're going to sort them out. You just want to kind of get them up at first and then just see where you go from there. Right, so you just want to kind of section and pin. That's what you want to do. Get rid of all the rest of the hair. It's going to come down in front, as you can see there. So I'm just going to pin it. I'm using blonde coloured bobby pins. See, my hair looks a bit crazy at the moment, but I promise it won't look like that in a minute. So what you want to do is basically just keep whipping hair into place until you are happy with it. That's all you really want to do. And if there's loose curls, you're going to tweak them and pin them down like I've got here. So I'm going to roll this curl up and I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. So you guys can see there. And just secure it in place. It's better to have bobby pins that kind of match your hair colour. I've got blonde ones. They don't completely match because my hair is platinum blonde and I find it very hard to get platinum blonde pins. So if anyone knows where I can get like really blonde pins from, let me know. Now this is literally what you want to do. is just pin, 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 pin. You can grab more hair from the back if you want to, or just keep kind of pinning and tweaking. Sometimes I will take the curls apart, which I might do in a minute, and then kind of tease them a little bit. I don't do that all the time, but this is kind of just a quick, messy poodle look that you guys can do. So I'm going to take this curl apart and then kind of just play with it. You can use pomades and stuff, which I probably will use soon. Kind of mould the curls a bit more and give them a bit more shape, and just to pin them in a bit. But this style is so versatile, you can do it any way you want. I'm going to take some pomade. This one is by House of Druid, and I'm just going to add some to the curls. As you can see, this one's kind of their classic pomade. It's very gel-like, and I'm going to add this to the sides as well. I'm going to do that first. And you only need like a little bit of this pomade, which I actually really love. So this hairstyle is just about placement and about finding where you want your hair to go. Like, I'm going to tease this bit, so I want a bit of height here in the middle, and then kind of just pop the curl, wrap it under, and then place it in. I'm going to push this one back again. It's just all about placement and where you feel comfortable placing them, and it's just about preference, as you can see. So this is what you would call a messy poodle, because I'm not a hairstylist. This is just how I do my hair. I've been requested to do this hairstyle since I had a photo shoot where I did my hair in a messy poodle, and that was my first time doing that hairstyle. I've never tried it before then, but I really like it. It's very just simple. It's one of the hairstyles you could just do quickly, this style. I really like it. I'm just going to add another one in. And then what you can do, if this ain't enough hair for you, you can pull more in from the back, and then you can probably brush the hair out or put it in a bun. You can wrap a scarf around. There's so many ways and things you can do in this hairstyle to make it just work. And that's one of the reasons why I like it. It's so cute. Just going to pin a bit more. So it's literally just pinning and tweaking, doing bits like you like. It's not perfect. I know hairstylists are probably cringing at me right now because I'm not a hairstylist, but I'm going to bring some more hair from the back, and I will get some more from this side as well. And I'm just going to bring it in on the top there, and then pin it at the back, like so. You guys can see, pin that there, and I'm going to sort the top out, because it's just, as I said, about placement of curls. It's about finding where you want them to go, and sometimes just let them flop where they want to go, because sometimes that is the best way to go with it. And don't worry, we are going to spray the heck out of it, and it will not budge, trust me. If you use really good hairspray and pomades, they tend to be really good hairstyles. That's why I like this hairstyle as well. It does not budge. You can have it all day for an event and it just won't go anywhere. It's just so awesome like that. So now I'm going to take this section of hair, and I'm just going to plunk it, put a bobby pin there, and secure it in place. This one's quite a nice curl, so I'm going to try and bobby pin it in place. How many times can I say bobby pin and pin in this video? Oh my goodness. So I'm going to make it a bit more tighter as well. You kind of want it really tight on the head, so you kind of want to smooth these areas out, which I'm going to do now. I'm just going to take another bobby pin and slide them in where I feel like needs more tightening, and I will take a comb to it as well. I'll do it now. And sometimes another good tip is take pomade, pop it on, and then really smooth it out with a comb, which I'm actually going to do because there's me talking about it, I should be showing you. So take a little bit of pomade of your choice, just a really good whole pomade will do. I use Suavecita, I use House of Druid, I use so many different pomades. As long as they're a really good hold, then this will work, as well as using good grips and good hairspray. So you kind of want to make it tight, yeah, and pin. So now that my poodle is done, my messy poodle, I'm just going to spray it with some House of Druid Marcel spray. This is a spray for setting, holding, and it dries the hair as well, which is awesome. So I'm just going to spray that all round on top of the poodle, and I'm going to put on top of that, which is my favourite parade hair. You guys know I love parade hair hairspray. It's one of my favourites. They send me stuff all the time and I absolutely love this. It's one of my favourite hairsprays. You guys have seen me mention them on Instagram a crap ton because I love them. Really recommend them. They're based in South Africa. So yeah, now that we've done our poodle properly and we sprayed it, we've done everything, you want to brush out the back. I'm just taking a normal brush. I don't do brush outs very well, I'm not the best, but sometimes I'll even put my hair up, I'll pin it and then wrap a scarf around it or put a hair flower on it, which hair flowers are great for this style, especially if there's a side that you really don't like I'll probably put a flower here because I like this side better, kind of want to show it more. And there's so many ways to do this hairstyle. You can't really go wrong with it because it's just such a nice, easy, quick hairstyle. I'm just going to give my hair a little bit of a brush. I like my hair really ringlety and really curly as well. I don't like to brush mine out fully. So if you like to have a nice smooth brush out, then definitely go ahead and do that. But for me, I like to have a bit of a bushy curl at the end because I think that just suits me in general. But yeah, it's very easy style. So this is what I'm doing, just brush, brush, brush. You guys, if you do try this hairstyle the way I've shown you how I do it, please tag me on Instagram at vintage_laura, or you can even just send me a message, send me a picture and I will like it. Maybe even share it for you guys because I like doing that at the moment. So yeah, so I just kind of brush my hair out a little bit. It's not the best, but that's how I do my poodle. Now you just want to kind of go ahead and add a hair flower or accessory and then you're good to go. And voila, we are now finished this tutorial. I have added in a hair flower that I actually made the other night. It's very flimsy, but I like it. It's one that I created myself, very big, very tropical, absolutely love it. And I just added in some earrings because I realised I didn't put them in at the beginning of the video. But yes, this is how I do my vintage 1940s, 50s poodle look. I hope you guys and girls really did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment in the comment section and subscribe only if you guys want to. All my social media links will be in the description bar as well. As I said, if you do this tutorial or follow this tutorial, please tag me on Instagram at vintage_laura and I will be sure to like and comment your picture because you guys know I love doing that. And yeah, anyway guys, I will speak to you soon. Bye and